Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this paint by line coffee cup. I'm going in first with the color the Gulf, and I'm just base coating my entire coffee cup. And you could go in and do whatever you wanted with this because it's not like seasonal in particular, but I chose to go in and kind of make it fall/Christmas and put on it sweater weather. And I just used the color chocolate for my hot cocoa, and now I'm going in and outlining everything with a Sharpie brush stroke marker. Again, just make sure everything's dry before going in with this marker. And then I'm going to use that same marker to go in and do my lettering. And again, this is totally optional. You could use vinyl if you prefer. And again, you can put whatever you want to because there's a ton of room on this coffee cup. And then next I'm going to go in with a little bit of white paint and a number 4 round, and I'm going to highlight here and there just to brighten everything up. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.